start the recording. Perfect. So we'll be talking about the tools that we need to use. We'll see from where we have to collect the data. We'll see data pre-processing. That means if you get raw images, what exactly you have to do before proceeding with anything. And those of you who are beginner in this thing, you don't have to worry. If you just commit yourself that you can learn anything that comes in your hurdle, like you can easily complete this challenge. The point is not to win this, the point is to complete it and to learn out of it, right? So if you guys agree with this point, please type yes in the chat window, and let's see how many responses we have. Perfect, that's good. So face mask detection, ये ऐसी क्या चीज है, why we have started this, and what's the motto behind this, right? So if you have heard about the news, just say, for example, are we all comfortable with Hindi? So if you are comfortable with Hindi, please type C in the chat window. Let's see, like if we have someone who is not comfortable. Perfect. So recently there was a news by, I don't know which publisher, but we saw that Telangana government has implemented their CCTV cameras, uh, basically upgraded their cameras, and those cameras are now able to detect are people wearing masks or not, right? In workspaces, in organizations जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ मिलके काम करते हैं, it is very important for them to wear mask and to maintain a social distancing, right? And all of the organizations have CCTV cameras. So what if those cameras are equipped with this mask detection thing, and if they started putting some fine or some penalty on the employee or on the citizen wherever it is implemented, so it will ultimately promote the social distancing as well as promote following the norms in order to prevent the COVID-19, right? और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि ये COVID-19 अब सुनने में आ रहा है कि काफी टाइम तक यहाँ पे रहेगा, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 2 सालों तक अब सिचुएशन ऐसी रहेगी, तो ऐसी चीजें निकल के आएंगी, और इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि कोई ना कोई इस पे काम करे. इट्स नॉट कि आप लोगों में से जो भी काम करेंगे you'll be reaching at the deployment stage, or you'll make something great out of it. It's just you'll learn a lot in this whole journey, और वही चीज में मैं आपको यहाँ थोड़ा सा गाइड करने आया हूँ, because I myself have done it, okay, and attempted for a paper publishing on, and that is a long process. So if you guys want to see a glimpse of my paper, I can't just share it because it's not published yet. I can just show you a glimpse of that paper. Just a second. I guess it's on my Google Doc. If you guys are excited about this thing, please type wow in the chat window, because that's only we can communicate. I have learned this from Mr. Siddharth Rajshekar. I'm following that guy from a lot like around since the past year, right? So I just love to interact with people with these small phonetics. So if you guys can type wow in the chat window, that will be very appreciated, and I'll be just getting a glimpse of your excitement. So if I just show you that research paper. So it's a paper, although it's not published yet, but me and my partner were working on this. We have done it using obviously the deep learning thing and a lot of things, but that's not the thing. It's just to motivate you guys that this thing is possible. although you can make your own. और उसी चीज में आपको यहाँ गाइड करना है. So like without wasting the time, let's start with the discussion. So face mask detection, obviously it will work on camera images and it's a image centric model. तो उसके लिए आपको कुछ टूल्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी. और जब भी हम मशीन लर्निंग में जाते हैं या फिर किसी भी चीज लाइक किसी भी इंटेलिजेंस या एआई की बात करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज यूज पाइथन. दैट्स द रिकमेंडेड थिंग ड्यू टू इट्स लाइब्रेरीज एंड अ लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू शुड हैव इज अ कंप्यूटेशन थिंग, राइट, जहाँ पे आप अपना कोड चलाएंगे, जहाँ पे आप चीजें कंप्यूट करेंगे. ओके, तो वो चीजों में आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं. इफ यू हैव अ हाई एंड लैपटॉप, that means good CPU. If you have GPU or not, that's a different thing, but if you have good CPU, good amount of RAM, you can use your machine. Otherwise I'll recommend you to use Google Colab, right? Second thing you need is Python to be installed in your systems, or along with Python you need some modules to be installed. And modules like, to name some: NumPy, TensorFlow, Keras, dlib, face recognition. How many of you are comfortable with Python? Like, you know basics about it? Please type yes in the chat window. If you are comfortable, please type yes. If you're not, please type no. Perfect. So all of you know about Python, और you just have to install all of these things. तो अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको जो पूरी की पूरी चीज बताऊंगा, जो पूरी पाइपलाइन है, वो दो उसमें लाइक इट इज बेसिकली सेंटर्ड अराउंड टू थिंग्स. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कौन सा एल्गोरिदम आप यूज करेंगे, एंड इफ यू आर विलिंग टू लर्न दैट एल्गोरिदम एंड इम्प्लीमेंट इट योरसेल्फ, that approach also I'll let you know about. Second is, if you want to use some API, I'll just give you the names of some APIs which you can use, right? So these are the things that you need: a Google Colab, or basically a computation system. Second is Python to be installed in that, and with these libraries to be there, and a webcam obviously to get camera inputs. Now the next step that comes in this machine learning project is to get the data. ओके, तो अब ऐसा कोई जो टास्क होता है जिसमें आपको किसी इमेज को लेके एंड देन यू हैव टू अल्टीमेटली अचीव अ थिंग, जिसमें आप कुछ आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना चाहते हैं या डिफरेंशिएशन करना चाहते हैं किसी चीज के बीच में, तो उसमें कई स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व है, राइट? तो डेटा में आपको कुछ मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दे रहा हूँ. सो ऑप्शंस आर, if you'll just google these data sets, I'll just put it in the Slack. If you'll just google these data sets, you'll get something out of it. And if you still need more resources, you can just ping me on Slack. I'll help you out on that. So first option is real world masked face dataset. It is easily available on GitHub. They have Google Drive links, so you can follow that. The MAFA dataset, I don't know what's its full form, but it is used for the face detection and those things. So while I was writing the paper, I actually researched about these things. Yeah, definitely. That's good, Ankit. You want to try the both ways. You can also go and search on data.gov, or there is an Indian website as well for data, and check out if they have some data available for this thing or not. You can go to Google and just search for Google public data sets, maybe if they are having or not. So you can just it's basically a research thing. So you have to find a data set. मैं आपको बताऊंगा किस तरीके का data चाहिए, क्या चाहिए, all of the things. All I'm telling you now that these are the resources which you can possibly use in order to just do this thing, right? And the last option is you can create your own data. ठीक है, आप अपना खुद का डेटा कैसे बना सकते हैं? सो किस टाइप का डेटा होगा वो आपको जानना जरूरी है उस चीज के लिए. So basically what we are trying to implement here, we are trying to implement the face mask detection. और वो काम कैसे होगा उसका पहले मैं आपको हल्का सा ओवरव्यू देता हूँ before continuing with this pipeline, so that so what we want to do, we want to make a system in which if you input some image, it shall the first step is to identify faces, right? And then the faces that you will identify, it shall identify whether it is masked or not. Right? So you need two types of data sets. Although in identifying faces, you don't need data set. We have a very good API already available, that is a Python module, and that is this face dash recognition. तो वो चीज आपको करनी है, and basically you need images. So let's say you need 10k images जिन पे mask नहीं है, right? You need facial images, and you need, let's say for example, 10k images जिन पे mask है. और ये जो डेटा सेट्स मैंने आपको बताए हैं, RWMFD, MAFA, सर्च ऑन दिस थिंग, यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे डेटा सेट्स मिलेंगे जिसमें मास्क नहीं है और मास्क हैं, राइट? So you can easily use those data sets. After this, the whole game is about pre-processing data. Okay, just putting the right amount of information inside your machine learning model. That's the main thing to focus on. You can get a lot of data sets, lot of images, but if you are putting garbage thing into your model, you won't get accuracy ever. तो वो डेटा को प्री प्रोसेस करने के तरीके अब मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ, जिसमें यू गाइज विल गेट एन एज ऑन कि किस तरीके से क्या प्रोसेस यूज करने चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस फील्ड, इट्स नॉट इजी कि आपको पता हो वो प्री प्रोसेसिंग टेक्निक्स. मैं like I've worked with a British company, I've worked with one Indian startup as a data scientist, and now working as a freelancer with a company based in Gurgaon, as well as I'm self-employed in my own venture, that is online solutions for learning AI, centering around mathematics of that thing. So basically I'm providing AI courses, like not promoting anything here, just for information I'm telling. So let's talk about this data pre-processing. Or data pre-processing matlab after getting your images, you will have some challenges, और वो challenges क्या होंगे उनकी बात करना अब जरूरी है, right? So those challenges will be, the first challenge will be आपकी जो सारी की सारी image आप download करेंगे, those will be of irregular shapes. So you need to reshape all the images. I will just request you to note it down, okay? Make your own points, because it's you who have to code it at the end. I'm just here to guide you and to help you. If at some point if you stuck, I'm there to help you, but it's you who will do everything. So these are the possible challenges. One could be your images could be of different shape. Let's say कोई image आपकी 100 cross 150 shape की है, तो कोई और image आपकी 200 cross 300 shape की है. Image is a matrix. We all know that. Like, are we clear about the image theory? If you know what are images, please type yes in the chat window. Otherwise, I'll share my video using which you can know what are images. So please type yes if you know what are images, and no if you don't know what are images. Good. So you guys know image is a matrix. So if image is a matrix, they may have irregular shapes when you get a data. So you need to reshape it, right? You need to reshape those images, not exactly reshape, but I will use the word resize. Okay. So in OpenCV, if you have used OpenCV, we imported like import CV2 or something. So that CV2 module has a function resize. So CV2.resize, and you can just resize all of your images into a same shape. So let's say if your image is of 200 cross 300, you can easily reshape it into 100 cross 100. It has a lot of things which you shouldn't think about at this moment, because your main goal is to implement this thing, like as per this hackathon is concerned, right? So this is the first challenge which you need to take care. Second is your images could be having a lot of noise in that. What do we mean by noise? Let's say maybe your image could be grainy. When, like, for example, image could the photographer may have taken image in a very low light condition, so that may create noise in the image. So you can easily remove it by doing a little bit of blurring, okay, using Gaussian smoothing. और इसके मैंने शायद यहाँ पे options लिखे हैं कि how to solve these things, right? So you can solve by resizing all uniformly, and I guess I have written for this thing as well, that you can run a Gaussian smoothing, which you will easily find on Google. So please do research about these things, and please do make points of this thing. Although recording will be available, but it's your time which is more valuable. So you may or may not want to waste it. After solving these things, आपके पास बहुत सारी images आ गई है. Now what you need to do, you need to detect faces in those images. अल्टीमेटली हमारे जो इमेज है उसमें बहुत सारा यूजलेस डेटा हो सकता है. मान लीजिए काफी दूर से द पर्सन हैज यूज्ड द कैमरा एंड जस्ट गॉट द इमेज, तो उसमें मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ सराउंडिंग्स आर देयर, पूरी बॉडी उसके अंदर आ रही है इंसान की, बट व्हाट वी नीड ओनली अ फेस, राइट? सो हाउ डू वी डिटेक्ट फेसेस, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा मैं आपको, नॉट मच, बट वी हैव 3 पॉइंट्स टू डिस्कस हियर. फर्स्ट इज द आइडिया ऑफ फेस डिटेक्शन. सो फेस डिटेक्शन बेसिकली किस तरीके से किया जाता है, आपकी जो पूरी इमेज होती है, राइट, पूरी जो इमेज होती है आपकी, उस इमेज के अंदर, जस्ट अ सेकंड, या सो राइट, तो उस इमेज के अंदर you have face at a certain position. So whatever algorithm you use, that algorithm detects eyes on your whole image, the shape of the eye. Then that algorithm detects the nose, okay, and your mouth, and there is a proper ratio, okay, there is a ratio defined in human face about the length or distance or some angle about this thing. So you can Google or just just learn on some resources. I'm just giving you an idea. So उस हिसाब से एल्गोरिदम्स बेसिकली डिटेक्ट, जहाँ पे भी वो रेशियो मैच करता है इन तीनों शेप्स का, उसके बाहर एक बाउंडिंग बॉक्स बना दिया जाता है. सो दैट्स हाउ इमेज बेसिकली इमेज में से फेस को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. एंड सम एल्गोरिदम्स टू नेम प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट एनालिसिस की मदद से, एंड along with this, it's a very very hard terminology and I can't discuss it right now. Hidden Markov model, these are very very deep mathematical thing. So if you are good with these things and a very very curious person, you can start learning about these things, because it's you who have to see, do you have enough time or not, right? But if you want to see some deep learning things, so like this is the deep learning algorithm which you can easily use to predict face landmarks from images. Like a simple CNN model can do it. At the end you can add some neurons. If you don't know about machine learning, don't know about deep learning, don't worry about it. You can also check out my YouTube channel, जहाँ पे मैंने एकदम scratch से चीजें सिखाई है about neural networks and some of the algorithms, right? You can just go to YouTube and search for Kushal Sharma, you'll get it. But if you don't want to go in all of these clutter, I have one more option for you. So you can use some APIs, and that is face recognition module in Python. You can easily go to its documentation. Just Google face dash recognition Python pip, and you will be, just taken to its documentation, and you can see in 4 to 5 lines, you'll be able to detect faces on your, faces in your images. और उसके अंदर 2 options होंगे. One is to use HOG, which is again one of the algorithms which I can't discuss right now, but like these are the 2 algorithms that this module uses, and I will recommend you to use the CNN based model. CNN is a convolutional neural network, which is a deep learning technique, right? So I will recommend you to use this one. And still, if you struggle in anything, please ping me. I will share you with the code, right? Share you with the code to do the face recognition, but you'll have to try it first. Perfect. So everything is going good till now. Please type good in the chat window, and then let's proceed further, because like I just don't expect कि आप लोगों को सब सर के ऊपर से जा रहा हो, और अगर कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, so I'll just clear your doubts. Perfect, that's good. तो इसके बाद में ये सारे, मतलब इनमें से जो भी आपको पसंद हो, जो भी आप like if you feel इस time frame में, if you are capable to do that thing, you'll get faces out of the images, right? And after those faces, आप क्या करेंगे? You have basically 2 approaches to follow. यहाँ पे हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? The whole idea is to हमारी raw image में से हमें ऐसा data निकालना है जो हम actually training में लगा सकें, right? Train क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? We need to teach our machine, teach our laptop कि आपने face पे mask लगा रखा है, नहीं लगा रखा, right? To be very very easy, to be very very clear. और उसको करने के लिए हम बेसिकली डेटा यहाँ पे प्री प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, प्री प्रोसेस, राइट? और हमारे पास रॉ इमेजेस थी. जस्ट टू समराइज अगेन, हमारे पास रॉ इमेजेस थी, जैसे किसी की फोटो खींची हुई जिसमें उसका फेस भी है, तो कुछ फोटोज में मास्क है, राइट। आप जब ये डेटा सेट्स को गूगल करेंगे तो यू विल सी किस तरीके के डेटा अवेलेबल है। तो फिर आप जब यहाँ तक पहुंच जाएंगे स्टेज पे, जब आप पूरी इमेज में से सिर्फ आपने फेस क्रॉप कर लिया होगा, ठीक है, आप अल्टीमेटली दिस एल्गोरिदम, द फेस डैश रिकॉग्निशन मॉड्यूल ऑफ पाइथन will tell you, will basically give you one new image जिसमें आपको फेस मिल जाएगा क्रॉप करा हुआ, राइट, आउट ऑफ दैट इमेज। और फिर उसके बाद में आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं, या तो आप वो क्रॉप करी हुई इमेज को यूज करो अपने एल्गोरिदम में, जस्ट दैट क्रॉप इमेज, नो अदर प्री प्रोसेसिंग, या फिर आप उस इमेज को सेगमेंट करें, राइट। व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय इमेज सेगमेंटेशन? just let me tell you this thing with one example, right? So if you see here in this image, ये image पूरी segmented है, right? तो इसमें यहाँ पे आपके पास पूरी road may be defined by a different color, persons or humans are defined by red color, let's say. तो इस तरीके से हमें face का जो data होगा, let's say if you just write here face image segmentation, you can see इस तरीके से segmentation possible है face पे, right? And this is easily possible through some deep learning algorithm. मैं आपको एक idea दूंगा कि कैसे ये चीजें होती है, the whole broader view, just an intuition about it, and you can just go and Google and just watch some tutorials. Otherwise, if you don't want to go for some tutorials, मैं आपको APIs भी बताऊंगा. Why I just recommend you to just go and watch some tutorials, क्योंकि this is an opportunity. आपके पास एक डायरेक्शन है इस हैकाथॉन में कि भाई मुझे किसी चीज पे काम करना है, तो अगर उसी के साथ साथ मैं जीतूं या ना जीतूं उससे तो मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना, लेकिन अगर मैं कुछ नया सीख के जाऊं यहाँ से, दैट मे बी अ गुड थिंग, राइट। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फोर्सिंग यू ऑन दैट। तो इस तरीके से इफ वी जस्ट just segment images, and if we just write here face mask segmentation, if we see do we have something related to that? No, we don't have anything, but you can just write a code for that जिसमें आपके पास कोई ऐसी इमेज आए जिसमें जहां जहां पे मास्क हो वहां पे एक अलग कलर आ जाए, राइट। So that will be more easier for your algorithm to classify that image, rather than आप पूरी की पूरी इमेज देते हैं रॉ, तो उसमें बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, राइट। स्किन कलर, टेक्स्ट कलर, not the text color but eye color, hair color, or maybe a little bit of background. So that's a lot of useless information, right? After all, your image is a data, it is having a lot of features in terms of pixel intensities. तो वो पिक्सल इंटेंसिटीज आपको ध्यान से चुननी है ताकि आपके एल्गोरिदम को दिक्कत ना आए एरर मिनिमाइज करने में। if you don't know these terminologies, error and these things, don't worry, धीरे धीरे जब आप इसके अंदर जाएंगे, and if you still feel very uncomfortable, contact me, I'll give you my whole machine learning course for free, just for like till the time you're in this hackathon. I'll give you free access to 100 videos which I've recorded, right? So वहां जाके आप basically इन algorithms के बारे में जान सकते हैं. So for the second approach was raw image data, and first is image segmentation, जिसका मैं आपको एक overview दे चुका हूँ. Now let's basically talk about किस किस तरीके के algorithms इसके अंदर होते हैं, कहाँ से आप वो चीजें सीख सकते हैं, right? तो algorithms कुछ हैं, जैसे if you use a CNN, तो इसमें भी बेसिकली एक सिंपल सी चीज होती है कि आप पूरी इमेज के अंदर ये देखते हैं कि सिमिलर कलर कहाँ पे हैं, राइट। जैसे आप देखें अगर पूरी की पूरी जो रोड है, रोड इज अराउंड, रोड पूरी की पूरी ब्लैक होती है, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लैक और ग्रे, तो रोड में जितने भी कलर्स होंगे इट इज अराउंड लेट्स से 200 to 255 पिक्सल इंटेंसिटी। अगर हम 255 को ब्लैक कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, लाइक आप लोगों ने जैसे कहा कि यू नो अबाउट इमेजेस, सो इमेजेस हैव पिक्सल इंटेंसिटीज बिटवीन 0 to 255, राइट। तो 0 मतलब ब्लैक होता है ऑल्दो। तो अब जैसे आप जब भी मतलब कोई भी इमेज सेगमेंटेशन किया जाता है तो इट इज फोकसिंग डिफरेंट फीचर्स. वन फीचर इज योर कलर, दैट इज योर पिक्सल इंटेंसिटी, सेकंड इज योर शेप. तो ऐसे करके अलग अलग एल्गोरिथम्स अलग अलग चीजों पे काम करते हैं. द मोस्ट सोफिस्टिकेटेड एल्गोरिथम इज सेगनेट. It is similar to one deep learning algorithm which is autoencoder. You can go and Google about SegNet, its architecture, how to code it, and you can just follow some tutorials. One is the official TensorFlow tutorial. How many of you know about what is TensorFlow? Please type in the comment box yes. you know about TensorFlow. So please type yes if you know about TensorFlow. So can we have some insights about what do you know about TensorFlow in a single line? What is TensorFlow? Who would like to tell about that? In a single line, what is TensorFlow? Deep learning framework. Perfect. Flow of data from layer to layer. That's a more accurate thing. Perfect. तो उसी TensorFlow का ये tutorial है. It will tell you how to do image segmentation. You can follow it and get some insights. Or Medium is a very popular blog. I just went through these two articles. You can go through these also. I'll share all of the three in the Slack. Let me just share it right now. Right. So you can just always go to your Slack and then just use these. Okay. So these are the things. और इसके बाद में you will get segmented images. Okay. और segmented images में दो तरीके की image होगी आपके पास. Images with mask and images without mask. राइट तो अब ये पूरा बेसिकली प्री प्रोसेसिंग का काम आपने कर लिया है जिसमें आपके पास रॉ इमेजेस थी और रॉ इमेजेस से यू आर टिल द सेगमेंटेड इमेज राइट और ये काम के लिए यू विल हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ कोड राइट तो मुझे नहीं पता लाइक व्हाट आर द रूल्स ऑफ दिस हैकाथॉन बट इफ यू गाइस वांट टू टीम अप यू कैन मेक टीम्स बिकॉज इट्स गुड टू वर्क इन टीम आप देख सकते हैं कौन सा इंसान किस चीज में अच्छा है लेट्स से इफ somebody is good with Python programming you can just make that person into programming or make that person the head of face recognition. Somebody could be handling the data pre-processing, right? And you can also work with your friends because that's more recommended. इतने बड़े project में I don't know कब तक की deadline है. I actually joined the channel late because I'm occupied with a lot of things, so that's why. But I will recommend you to just approach this thing with a team so that you guys will learn how to do teamwork, which is a very useful skill, and you guys will able to do it better. Now let's talk about training part, right? What is training? हमें machine learning की जब भी हम कुछ बात करते हैं, like not all of you are from the ML background, but आपको अपनी मशीन को चीजें सिखानी होती है. यहाँ पे जो आप image segmentation करेंगे, that's also that thing will also go through a training process which you will learn through these tutorials, right? तो अब हम जिस ट्रेनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं that is to classify कि आपके फेस पे मास्क है या नहीं है. ओके उसके लिए हम जो इमेजेस हम वहां पे सेगमेंट कर चुके हैं. वी हैव सम इमेजेस हैविंग मास्क एंड सम हैविंग नो मास्क. तो इस पूरी प्री प्रोसेसिंग की एक पाइपलाइन बनेगी जिसमें यू विल इनपुट रॉ इमेजेस एंड यू विल गेट अ सेगमेंटेड फेस इमेज, राइट? Yes, I know it's an individual challenge, but I was just recommending you अगर आप इसके बाद भी अगर करना चाहें because इतना बड़ा challenge, I don't know how you're going to manage it. but अगर मैं होता आपकी जगह तो मैं इसको एक टीम में करता. मैं इस चीज के बाहर एक टीम बना लेता, not inside this. I don't know the rules about this. मैं पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ, very frank. I joined this channel late, but it's just a recommendation, right? It's like it's up to you. You have to follow rules, guys. Like you don't have to be disqualified from this thing. So training हमें करनी होगी for this mask detection और उसके which is actually a image classification thing. So you have to classify between the mask and non-mask image. और इसके लिए कई algorithms available हैं, कई APIs available हैं. I'll let you know about algorithms first. तो जो सबसे best image classification algorithms हैं वो ExceptionNet है. And a friend of mine is working in very big MNC, and those people are working with darknet and trying to classify face mask images, right? So I just recently had a conversation with that person. So they are working with darknet, so it is a tried and tested thing. You can also use ExceptionNet, you can also use InceptionNet, ResNet, VGG, everything. So मोटा मोटा बताऊं तो ये जो सारी चीजें हैं ये CNN के आर्किटेक्चर्स हैं, डीप लर्निंग आर्किटेक्चर्स है, टू बी वेरी जनरल. और डीप लर्निंग में अगर आपको एल्गोरिथम्स के बेसिक्स पता हैं तो यू कैन इजीली learn about these things. और वो बेसिक्स आप यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हैं, काफी सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स अवेलेबल हैं गूगल पे, यू कैन गो थ्रू दोस, और फिर इसके बारे में आप समझे तो इनका भी काफी आसानी से कोड अवेलेबल होता है. बट आई विल रिकमेंड यू नॉट टू कॉपी द कोड, बट टू लर्न थिंग फर्स्ट एंड देन टू यूज इट, क्योंकि like to getting certificate is not that important, because that certificate is invaluable if you don't know the thing, the things that are used in your project. Somebody is asking, can we use mobile net? Honestly, I don't know what is mobile net. I'll need to Google it. Mobile net. Okay, these are efficient CNNs. Perfect. Efficient CNNs. I don't know, yeah. I haven't heard about mobile net yet, but you can use it. If it works fine, you can use it. APIs you can use Google Cloud Vision. I guess they also provide a free trial. Amazon also provides some starting credits. I don't know, like, do they give for students or not? And they have also this DigitalOcean or something. Like, if they are providing some credits, I don't know, like, is it DigitalOcean or what? I don't know about that, guys, but you can also use those APIs and just go to Google and use it. Just see how to use APIs and things. IBM Watson's API is also good, and there is one new startup API which I saw, which is Clarifai. You can also go through this thing. तो ये पूरा ट्रेनिंग का पार्ट होगा जिसमें आप in APIs through you'll basically train a model to classify the segmented masked and non-masked images. And trust me, after segmentation, it will improve your performance. And then you'll have to test your performance. So testing 3 parts में होगी. पहला होगा data testing. That means जो आपने data collect किया था उसको आपको 2 टुकड़ों में तोड़ना होगा. That means training and testing. Let's say आपने 10,000 इमेजेस जुटाई तो उसमें 2,000 इमेजेस आपने टेस्टिंग के लिए रख ली. और वो वाला काम कैसे होगा? सबसे पहले आपने जो चंक लिया है, टेस्टिंग चंक, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड. हेलो. ओके गाइस, तो जो आपने डेटा कलेक्ट किया होगा ट्रेनिंग के लिए, जितने भी इमेजेस, अराउंड 5 लाख इमेजेस आर देयर टू यूज इन दैट, ऑल ऑफ द डेटा सेट व्हिच आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. उसमें से आपको कुछ परसेंट ऑफ चंक रखना है टेस्टिंग के लिए और उसको प्री प्रोसेस करना है. प्री प्रोसेस मतलब फ्रॉम रॉ इमेजेस टू सेगमेंटेड फेस इमेज. समझ गए आप इसको लिख लें. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू, फ्रॉम रॉ इमेजेस टू सेगमेंटेड फेस इमेजेस, एंड देन यू कैन. और बेसिकली ये तो प्री प्रोसेस का ही पार्ट है. डिटेक्ट किया आपने फेसेस, फिर सेगमेंटेशन लगाई जो मैं अभी बताया हूँ आपको, एंड देन यू विल सी व्हाट प्रेडिक्शन इट इज गिविंग यू. और उन प्रेडिक्शंस के हिसाब से, प्रेडिक्शन मतलब क्या वो किस तरीके से बता रहा है फेस पे मास्क है या नहीं है, राइट? एंड बेस्ड अपॉन दोज प्रेडिक्शंस गेट एक्यूरेसी, प्रिसीजन एंड रिकॉल. 3 टाइप्स ऑफ स्कोर टू बी लाइक, इफ आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल दीज 3 थिंग्स. एक्यूरेसी बताता है कि आप कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. प्रिसीजन बताता है कि आपकी एक्यूरेसी कैसी परफॉर्म कर रही है, एक्यूरेसी सही आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही. और रिकॉल बताता है कि आपका प्रिसीजन कैसा आ रहा है, राइट? To get more info on this thing, again you can Google it. I can't just explain all of the things here right now, like I also have time constraints. Second is validation testing. और validation testing में आपने क्या करना है, Google से images निकालनी है. And if you guys want to know how to download bulk images from Google, there is this Python module, Google_images_download or something. You can just go and Google it, and if you don't find it, please message me. I'll share you the code. I've written a function for this. Right? तो आपको गूगल से 100 मास्क लगी हुई इमेजेस निकालनी है और 100 बिना मास्क की इमेज निकालनी है. उनको भी वैसे प्री प्रोसेस करना है जो ये आपने यहाँ पे स्टेप्स देखे हैं. और प्री प्रोसेस के बाद, बेसिकली प्री प्रोसेस मतलब डिटेक्ट करना और सेगमेंटेशन करना, फिर प्रेडिक्शंस निकालिए और फिर दोबारा ये तीनों स्कोर्स निकालें आप. और फिर आप इसको लाइव टेस्टिंग करें. दैट मीन्स जो आपको मैंने शुरू में बताया था अबाउट यूज वेबकैम की जरूरत पड़ेगी, तो वो यहाँ पे आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी एट द एंड. तो लाइव टेस्टिंग के लिए यूज वेबकैम, ओपन सीवी में फंक्शन है, इट्स आई गेस cv2.capture और समथिंग, वो आप देख सकते हैं उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. एंड यूजिंग दैट फंक्शन यू कैन गेट इमेज फ्रॉम योर कैमरा in terms of a matrix. Image is a matrix, so you will get matrix out of a camera. उसमें वही चीजें लगाइए, प्री प्रोसेसिंग, डिटेक्ट फेस, apply segmentation, then get predictions, You can calculate these. और फिर इन सबको आप कीजिए, क्या करेंगे, इन सबको accumulate कीजिए, सबका एवरेज निकालिए, एवरेज एक्यूरेसी, एवरेज प्रिसीजन, एवरेज रिकॉल, और अगर तीनों का एवरेज अराउंड 97 या फिर 95 प्लस भी आ रहा है, then congratulations, your model is trained, you can deploy it, right? And to be very frank, I have not used this DigitalOcean. You'll have to check their documentation how to deploy it on that thing, but that's how the whole process you can follow. So that's what the motive I was here to follow, and I'm sharing this whole pathway, whole pipeline in Slack, right? So I'll just share it. Perfect. So that's the end of session from my side, but you guys can ask your questions. So I leave it on you now. One by one, you can ask your questions now. But before that, just want to get quick feedback. Out of 10, you can put some numbers like how was the session, 0 being the like it's worst, 10 being good. So please type out of 10, how did you like it? Perfect. Thank you so much for the feedback. And now, if you guys have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, if everything is clear, please type CLR in the chat window so that we can conclude it. I will share this presentation. Yes, you can start building the model. Definitely, it's your time, man. Okay, so I hope there are no questions and we can conclude it. So thank you so much. Do we need to open source? It's up to you. It's up to you, man. It's not my thing. It's your code. It's you who will decide it. We have to find dataset by our own. No, I have given you some options from here. You can follow these things, Google Images, download, and these things. And deliverables, some code files in your GitHub, code files like some scripts that first of all installs everything in. Like if somebody is using your code, you need to just write your code with that perspective. Let's say if I'm a layman, okay, and if I just clone your GitHub repository, if I will download it in my system, so there should be a file which shall install all the dependencies. So you will, like, if you know how to do that, there is one requirements.txt file in which we write all the libraries, and then we call it in our script which we run to install everything. And then there is one main file which basically integrates all the individual scripts which you write, right? Or individual scripts mein kya hoga, maybe your data collection thing which will download data, or maybe a training script, data pre-processing script, right? And those scripts will be having different functions. Okay, training and testing, and a final thing, a final script, main.py, which will be doing this thing. Okay, उसमें अगर आप कुछ GUI use करना चाहते हैं, you can use Pygame or Kinter, which are Python GUI things. And if you know APIs or JavaScript, you can also do that. I personally don't know that. We can build the model. Saha is asking, you can build the model in any platform. Yeah, it's up to you. It's just you'll have to put it on GitHub. It is recommended to just make it easily, just easy for a person to use it. How to deploy and submit the project? You have to put it on GitHub. I don't know about the rules of this hackathon. I'll have to read the README, but I guess you have to put it on GitHub and just share your README files. README should be very, very good. You can go and Google out how to just write good README files. What are the things to be used? There are some emoji or emoticons, or I don't know what to call those, but those are also available. You can use those, but that's the thing about it. Perfect. So okay, perfect, guys. Thank you so much for joining the session. Good luck, goodbye, and I'll definitely see you in the next one if you need some help.